Guys, this is the best. The crunchiness of the okra. At least we're able to achieve, a drumstick, okay? But since we could not break it into pieces, yeah, super strong. Welcome, amazing family, handsome, beautiful queens and kings. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm having okra pepper soup with spinach and shaki turkey wings. Okay, this is another massive turkey wings. Okay, mushrooms in here and cow stripes. Yeah, so they are all here. So let's just get started, okay, with mine. I love Gary. So the first bite is for you guys. My darling son is always here, so you guys should be, please get used to it. Delicious. Like, this is oilless soup. This is mushroom. I actually bought this type because the other one I'm tired of the other one. It tastes delish. Please, if you are seeing my face for the first time, consider hitting the red subscribe button, like, share, man. I've been craving for these guys for a long while now. Look at this. Guys, this kind of food like this, I call it bushy food, because the spinach in it is not plain, obstacles and everything in here. Call it bushy field. Oh my god. This turkey wing is so massive and it tastes really great. Oh my word. Man. Please guys, don't forget to hit the thanks button, okay, as a means to support me, support your girl, support your girl. We're almost clearing the bushy field. Man. Excusez-moi. I know a lot of you guys have been enjoying my video. I want to appreciate you all. From the bottom of my heart, I say thank you so much for being so supportive. I love the way it turned out too. The breaking of the bone. Oh my god, this is so strong. I think I will leave this like this because this is super stronger. Or maybe my teeth today is not ready. let me listen to my teeth so I won't do the thing I will regret. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I have demolished everything here. Thank you all so much for watching from the beginning to this very moment. I want to say big thanks from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, my beautiful lovers, my beautiful mukbang lovers. Thank you for your amazing support. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.